Welcome to Motor Maze. Today we're diving into the latest details about the 2026 Renault Arkana, a vehicle that seamlessly blends style, performance, and innovation. Let's explore what this crossover SUV has to offer. The 2026 Renault Arkana captivates with its sleek and dynamic exterior design. The coupe-like silhouette is accentuated by flowing lines and a pronounced ground clearance, giving it a sporty yet robust stance. The front fascia features Renault's signature grille with deconstructed diamond motifs, flanked by sharp LED headlights that enhance its modern appeal. The rear is equally striking, boasting a large spoiler and translucent lights that underscore its athletic character. The Esprit Alpine version adds exclusive touches like dark chrome lettering, Alpine badges on the front wheel arches, and unique 18E alloy wheels, elevating its distinctive presence on the road. Inside, the Arkana offers a premium and spacious cabin designed for both comfort and convenience. High-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail create an inviting atmosphere. The glass sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of openness. The dashboard is dominated by a 9.3 multimedia touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with the Easy Link system, providing access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Android Auto trademark and Apple CarPlay trademark ensure that your favorite apps and playlists are always within reach. Always within reach. The Esprit Alpine variant features exclusive upholstery in bio-based textile fabric and suede with blue stitching, along with a steering wheel adorned with blue, white, red stitching, reflecting its sporty heritage. Passenger comfort is paramount, with 3 full-sized rear seats offering 21 cm room, ensuring ample space for all occupants. The modular 1323 split-folding rear bench seat allows for versatile cargo configurations, expanding the boot capacity from an already generous 513 liters to a substantial 1263 liters when folded down. Additionally, the movable floor provides further flexibility to accommodate various storage needs. The 2026 Arkana is powered by a 1.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine, delivering an impressive 155 horsepower. This engine is paired with an automatic gearbox, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. The vehicle's fuel efficiency is noteworthy, with consumption starting from 6.2 L100 km, making it both powerful and economical. The Arkana's dynamic performance is complemented by its well-tuned suspension and precise steering, offering drivers a confident and engaging ride, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Renault Arkana, which comes equipped with 10 advanced driver assistance systems under the Human First program. Features such as a 360 degrees around view camera provide a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Additional safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and more. These systems work in harmony to enhance driver awareness and protect occupants, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The 2026 Renault Arkana offers exceptional value for its class. The base model is priced at $32,995 in the United States, Euros 30,025.45 in Europe, £25,736. 736 pounds. 10 in the United Kingdom. It's important to note that prices may vary depending on the region and selected options. The Arkana is available in multiple trims, including the Evolution, Techno, and the range-topping Esprit Alpine, each offering a distinct set of features to cater to diverse preferences and needs. The 2026 Renault Arkana stands out as a compelling choice in the crossover SUV segment, seamlessly combining elegant design, advanced technology, dynamic performance, and comprehensive safety features. Its spacious and versatile interior, coupled with efficient fuel consumption and a suite of driver assistance systems, makes it well suited for both urban commutes and longer journeys. With its competitive pricing and various trim options, the Arkana caters to a wide range of drivers seeking a stylish and capable vehicle that doesn't compromise on comfort or innovation. Whether you're drawn to its sporty aesthetics, cutting-edge features, or the renowned reliability of the Renault brand, the 2026 Arkana is poised to exceed expectations and redefine your driving experience.